So we got time period for near satellite and the radius of near satellite and the radius of far satellite. Okay, and we need to find the time period for away satellite. Again the same rule, time period for near satellite squared divided by r of near satellite squared is equal to time period for far satellite squared divided by r of far satellite cube. Okay, and we need the time period for far satellite squared is equal to time period for near square multiplied by r far cube divided by r near cube. Okay, and now we got T near is 42 hours multiplied by r far, which is 3.95 times 10 to the power 5. R far is 4.84 times 10 to the power 5 and divided by near one is 3.95 times 10 to the power 5 and cube, and this is squared. So time period for the far satellite squared is equal to hours, or 966 could be 57 hours. But we need to take the square root. Okay, so we need to take the square root of this value as well in order to find the time period of far satellite. Okay, is this clear?